Welcome to my channel. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a colorful array of birds. Each bird had its own unique song and vibrant plumage, making the forest a symphony of beauty and melody. One day, a young sparrow named Sunny decided to explore beyond the borders of the forest. Eager to see what lay beyond, he set off on his journey, fluttering through the canopy of trees and soaring over shimmering streams. As Sunny ventured farther from home, he encountered birds of different shapes, sizes, and colors. Some were friendly and welcomed him with open wings, while others were cautious and kept their distance. Despite the differences among the birds, Sunny found joy in learning about their cultures, traditions, and languages. He marveled at the majestic eagles soaring high above the mountains, the graceful swans gliding across tranquil lakes, and the playful hummingbirds darting among colorful flowers. Throughout his journey, Sunny encountered challenges and obstacles, from fierce storms to cunning predators. But with courage, determination, and the help of his newfound friends, he overcame each trial, growing stronger and wiser with every experience. Eventually, after many adventures and countless miles traveled, Sunny realized that the true beauty of the world lay not only in its landscapes, but also in the diversity of its inhabitants. He returned home to the forest, carrying with him the lessons and memories of his journey. From that day forth, Sunny shared his tales with the other birds, inspiring them to embrace diversity, celebrate differences, and cherish the bonds of friendship that united them all. And so, the forest echoed with the joyful songs of unity, as the birds lived together in harmony, forever grateful for the lessons learned on Sunny's grand adventure.